What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to give you guys a rundown of what to expect in trading returns. I'm going to give you guys a formula to work out how much money you need in your trading account to replace your full-time income or your living expenses income. And I'm also going to give you other ways to make this achievable, realistic, attainable goals at the end of the video. As we know, making a full-time living off trading is a goal for many traders. And in this video, I'm going to give you guys the tools, the tips, and everything you need to know how to make that a reality. I'm sure you guys are going to get a lot of value from this, so let's get into it. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jerome. I'm a full-time Forex trader here in Sydney, Australia, and I'm also working alongside Austin Silver as an ASFX coach. If you're new to the channel, please consider smashing that thumbs up button and subscribing to the channel so it helps the YouTube algorithm get this value and knowledge to other traders. So the big question is, how much money can I make trading Forex, the foreign exchange market? And I think the question you got to ask yourself is not how much money you can make. What is a good expected rate of return? How much percentage can I make per month, per year? Unfortunately, a lot of traders are not going to like this answer, but I always aim between 2 and 4% per month. Now, before you guys attack me in the comments, which I encourage you all to have an open mind and let me know your opinions in the comments below. But yes, you can make more than 2 to 4% per month, but let me tell you why I always aim for these numbers, and I suggest a lot of retail traders aim for these numbers as well. The main reason I suggest for traders to aim between 2 and 4% is because it's realistic. 2, it removes a lot of stress and emotions, and 3, it's an attainable performance metric for a lot of us retail traders. You have to remember, as retail traders, most of us have other commitments. We have a full-time job, we have a family, we are constantly busy doing something else with our life. Unless you're trading full-time like I am, then you can start taking opportunity of more opportunities in the markets, more signals that present, more trade opportunities. But just a quick disclaimer, more trades does not equal more profit. More trades will result in more losses, and more losses will result in more emotional trading, which, you guessed it, results in more losses. So being selective is key, and we'll get to that later in the video. But what I'm trying to say now is, as a retail trader, we don't have the abundance to kind of sit in our screens all day, 8 hours watching the charts. We want to have a life. We want to get up, we want to spend time with family, we have work commitments like I was saying before. So you got to remember, 2 to 4% is a very attainable goal, and if you're making 2 to 4% per month, that is amazing. Now let's get into the money side of things, since a lot of you guys want to get to this part, and I have a really cool formula to kind of show you guys, and stick around because I want to give you guys some tips to really accelerate your trading and really kind of open some opportunities, open some doors, and kind of expand your perspective on how to make trading a realistic, attainable goal and how to live off trading. So let's get into those numbers now. So now we have a guideline, 2 to 4% per month average returns. Now let's go to 3%. Let's say we're going to average, in this example, we're going to use 3% as our average monthly returns. The first thing I want you guys to do is find out your monthly living expenses. How much does it cost you guys to live month to month? Then what I want you to do is times that by 12. So your monthly living expenses times 12 months. So for the example I'm going to use here in Australia, a couple living together, the average monthly expenses is about $4,118. So for this example, I'm going to use this figure. If we're making 3% per month, that is 36% per year rate of return. So for this example, to find out how much money we need in our trading account, we need to get our monthly living expenses, times that by 12 months. That will give us our total cost of living for that year. And then what we do is, so for this example, we have my living expenses are roughly $49,416 per year. We grab that figure, we divide it by 36. So that's 3% per month times 12, which equals 36%. And then 36%, and then that equals $137,266 we need in our trading account to make an average of just under $50,000 per year. Now, before you get too excited, this is a perfect world scenario. Of course, you got to factor in taxes, broker fees, commissions, and you got to remember, we don't earn 3% each month like clockwork consistently. It averages out to be 3% per month. And at the end of the year, when we, check our trading performance, it equals to about, like I was saying, 36% per year. So month 1, you could be up 6%. Month 2, you could be up 2%. Month 3, it could be a negative month, so it could be like negative 3%. Month 4 could be another negative month. Month 5 could be like 8%. So over the course of 12 months, it equals roughly 3% per month. So in trading, we know that our returns are not consistent, but that's why we average it out over 12 months. Now that we know we need roughly $150,000 in our trading account to replace a yearly salary or your yearly income of $50,000, how do we get that much money? What if you are new to trading? What if you're only young? What if you don't have that type of capital to get started and really kind of make trading become as beneficial as it can? Well, I'm about to give you guys some tips, and trust me, we live in a world and a day and age where it's very easy to get that type of money, and I'm about to show you guys, give you guys some tips. So my first tip is an online hedge fund or prop firm. We live in an age where a simple Google search can give us the opportunity of trading a 6-figure account. There are so many prop firms and online trading funded companies that are willing to give traders like us, retail traders, a lot of capital to trade with if we can prove to them we are good traders. And by good traders, all they are looking for is on average about 10% return over a certain time frame. Some don't have time frames. Some of these prop firms have challenges where they are a little more difficult to achieve, and some are more relaxed. So you can sign up to these prop firms, you can develop your skill as a trader, make your X%, whatever the company is asking you to achieve, and then just like that, you have a large 6-figure account to trade with. Some of these prop firms are offering between $25,000 all the way up to $1 million that you can manage, and they usually have a profit split. So usually about 70% the trader keeps, so you'll keep 70%, and then the prop firm will keep 30% of the profit. So if you make $10,000 one month, you'll keep $7,000 and the prop firm will get $3,000. This is a great opportunity for new retail traders or traders that just don't have sufficient funds to really make trading worthwhile and really start getting the benefits of it. So prop firms is my number 1 tip to kind of get funded. My second tip is reduce your living expenses. My living expenses before I got into trading were just over $8,000 per month. That is a lot. I've currently more than halved that to just under $4,000 now. And you can just imagine how much stress-free trading is for me, since I don't have to make such a large return to kind of keep up with my living expenses. So reduce your living expenses, become more mindful of where you spend your money. Just be mindful, control your living expenses. Don't go spending money on stupid things. Number 3 is create more income streams. Now, we all know the average millionaire has more than 7 streams of income. This is very true. I currently have a few streams of income between passive investing, trading options, trading Forex, affiliate marketing, and other sources as well. So multiple sources of income will take a lot of stress off your trading returns and your trading performance to try and really kind of force trades and just be stressed out about trying to make your monthly income through trading. Now, before we go any further with this, I always recommend, if you have the goal of trading full time, make sure you have cash reserves, a cash buffer of anywhere between 3, 6 to 12 months of your living expenses put away. I personally have 9 months of living expenses in the bank, so it's easy access. I can have that money within a few hours. I recommend every trader needs this, especially if you are venturing to do this full time. Make sure you have cash buffers. It relieves a lot of the stress because, like I was saying before, our income is not consistent. So if you have a month where you're break even or you have a losing month, you can't really take a income for yourself. So you're going to be pretty stressed if you don't. So make sure you have cash buffers and a cash reserve. And just some examples of other streams of income. You could flip stuff online. Affiliate marketing, you could do drop shipping, Fiverr, upsell. There are so many things in this digital age that you can make a bit of money on the side. Yes, it's going to require some effort. Everything's going to require effort. There is no such thing as easy money. I always refer to trading as the hardest easy money we'll make. It is easy in the sense of how we get the money, but the whole process and everything about trading is not easy. The fourth way is compounding your trading account while working full-time or getting income from another source. This by far is the best kind of way and what you really want to aim for in trading. Now, I'm going to give you a really cool example. So if we check out the screen here, most retail traders, let's go with $5,000. So you're going to put $5,000 in your trading account, and this is all going off if you have a back-tested, proven system. You don't want to be entering the market blindly. You always want to have a plan and a strategy, a system that has an edge and is profitable over time. So let's say you put $5,000 in your trading account. We're making 36% per year. Let's go 36% per year, which is 3% per month. And you do this for 10 years, right? While you are working full time, let's say you put in an extra $200 per month into your trading account. So you are funding your trading account while growing your profits from your 3% on average per month. By the end of that, you will have just under $400,000 by only putting, how much did we put in? $200 extra. If you put in $500 extra per month, you have just over $700,000. Compounding your account in this sense is the best way. Yes, it's going to take more time, but as you can see, you can really take advantage of compounding with trading. And that's what I personally do. I don't like taking my trading profits. I like them sitting in the account and compounding over time. That's what you want to aim for. So when I come back to the perfect world scenario of having that money in your account, that's not including keeping some in there to compound it. That's taking all the profits every month or every year or however you take profits. So leaving money in the account to compound is the ideal way and how to really make trading compound for you long term. So let's say you did this, for 20 years with an initial balance of 5,000, put in 500. By the end of it, you'd have over $26 million. Compounding interest still amazes me because it is such a powerful tool that everyone should be doing. So when I talk about 3% per month, 36% per year, this is what I mean. That is very powerful. With trading, I understand a lot of us want the money. It's fine. I understand. There's nothing wrong about wanting a lot of money. Yes, you can get better performance. I've seen retail traders, double this in a year. And there's no reason why you can't either. Just with me as a trader personally, and I think a lot of retail traders, aiming for 3% per month is a very realistic, attainable goal. It's very stress-free. You don't need a crazy system. You don't need to be in the charts for hours on the day. You can use a higher time frame. You can swing trade. It is stress-free. Exactly what us retail traders want. It's the perfect lifestyle. So if you're working full-time, you're doing this on the side, you can see within 5 years, you'll be able to replace your income and have a nice trading account size by the end of it as well. So I hope you guys have gotten some value out of this. I hope I've kind of shed some light on kind of the whole idea behind trading. Yes, it is very powerful. Yes, it can be life-changing. That is why a lot of traders get into it. But you don't have to aim for these ridiculous amounts and don't focus on the monetary value, the dollar figure. Aim for percentage, aim for performance in that metric, not dollar figures. Don't say I want to earn 10,000 this month. Say you want to earn 3%, 4%. And doing that will take a lot of pressure off your emotions and your psychology, because when I lose 1% in the market, it's better than saying I've lost $1,000. Trust me, it's a better way to approach trading. And when you're looking at that performance metric, it is so much more better. Your trading performance is better and your overall well-being is better. As you can see, trading is a real wealth accelerator, but it's going to take some time for you to really reap the benefits. For me personally, I had other assets I was able to liquidate. That gave me my trading account that then kind of helped me build my foundation and really take advantage of this skill of trading that I now have. And even to this day, I'm still learning, growing, and constantly striving for more knowledge in trading. As some of you know, I'm currently doing the Traders for Traders funded practical assessment to get funded with a prop firm, because I want to take my capital out of my trading and diversify into other investments to keep, like I was saying before, income streams coming and diversify and keep building wealth. With trading, this is an amazing opportunity to do that. So I hope you guys got some value out of this video. Please like the video if you got any type of insight or knowledge. please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to the channel to help the YouTube algorithm get this knowledge and value to other traders that, want to see the realistic truth of trading returns, and that you don't need a very large return to really accelerate your wealth. And make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified when I release any new content. Once again, I appreciate your time, and I'll see you guys in the next video.